Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my all viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty. So Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you are watching my latest video. So girls, the wait is over. Today I am sharing with you beautiful crochet blouses ideas, beautiful top blouses for modern girls, stylish girls, young girls. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, different ideas, mind-blowing patterns. Some are simple and some are beautiful, decorated with crochet flower ideas, different styles, and some are full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless, off shoulder, beautiful neck design, beautiful sleeve design. Most demanding collection, most wearing collection. Some are light color, some are dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, different designing. Hopefully you like this. Follow my channel. Like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas. Hopefully you like this. If you want to more collection about crochet, so please visit my channel. The logo is front of you. And good pin section. You can ask me in comment section what you want next more about crochet collection. Follow my channel. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work and different designing, different ideas, beautiful pattern. Okay, viewers. Now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care, viewers. Bye bye. And please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. And please pray for me. Bye bye.